Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to move sideways. It has lost briefly the ascending trend line of this ascending broadening wedge. I wouldn't put too much emphasis on this pattern, but typically they do break to the downside. I'm currently looking at this as a wave 5, as an ending diagonal of a larger wave 1. So the idea was we come down in a wave 2. Many other coins are already dropping deeply into their support areas. They've seen a nice positive reaction, at least some of them, to their support areas overnight. We're going to cover them today in different videos. But either way, looking here for Bitcoin at a possible drop into that region around 26,267 to 24,939. There is no change really. But I want a drop at least below the previous swing low, which is at 27,214, to confirm that that drop has started, because you can see the trend line alone is not really sufficient. It reclaimed it quite quickly, and we just need a bit of patience. But what I highlighted to you as well is that obviously the downtrend hasn't started. The pullback, in my opinion, hasn't really started yet, because I can only confirm it if we drop below the 240. It depends on which exchange you're looking at, I guess. But the exact low here on Coinbase is 27,000. Let me just actually hover here. But then again, you know, prices are too dynamic to really call out one particular point. But to be very specific here, it would be 27,218. But that's only the Coinbase chart. Different exchanges have slightly different prices. Yeah, I mean, you could argue that this was some kind of a triangle. I have some ideas how this could be counted on the micro level, but that's not very helpful for your trading, I think. But yeah, triangle broke to the downside. Maybe just retesting the trend line now from below. The triangle trend line, yeah, it's too early to really say that. But again, it needs that drop below that 27,218 level, basically, to confirm that this wave 2 has started. And I would expect it to, if it breaks that, to at least pull back to 26,267. Ideally, sort of in that orange region, find support and then start to rally. That is one of the wave counts. So that basically we have a 1-2-1-2 setup. This is the scenario where we're only going to get a shallow pullback. That's the primary one at the moment, because that's directly in front of us and because many altcoins have pulled back already. The alternative would be that if we fail, or if this support area is failing, we're just going to drop back into the larger yellow one between 24,107 and 21,551. That's just purely related to the idea that all of this could have been a wave 1 and the whole move down would be a larger wave 2. So it's just very, very similar in terms of scenarios. It's just in one scenario we'll pull back a bit deeper, but both are bullish at the moment, especially as long as we're holding above 21,551. Yeah. And at the moment, Bitcoin doesn't show any tendency of pulling back, whereas a lot of altcoins actually are doing that at the moment and have done, and are actually already recovering to a certain degree. So it's going to be very interesting. I did highlight in yesterday's video more upside targets. Should Bitcoin not pull back, what are the next upside targets? We've got 29,050 and 30,540. You might hear the puppy in the background. Sorry for that. If we go above the 1-to-1 ratio, which is 30,540, then I will not assume anymore that it will pull back to that into the support areas. Then I think we have a direct escalation to much higher prices. And that's basically in a nutshell what Bitcoin is doing here. I want to get to the other coins, so I'm going to need to calm down the puppy. So, and then, yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.